So we got 20 inches in the height here in the back, and in the front we got like a little swoop. So we want to know if we can get, how high we can get. We're going to put the level on and measure that. Pretty level there, right?
I'd say I'd leave it like that.
Yeah, well, let's see what's the height here that you have to cut to get that. Put it over the bunk so I can measure.
It's because they're the lower part here.
Okay, like that. It's 19. So
19 jacked up.
yeah.
So we'll try and cover that 19 straight through.
Okay. We're trying not to waste the logs. Sometimes it's pretty hard because they're pretty swoopy. Decided he's going to take a 2-inch slab off of the top, and we'll see if we should have our 12-inch or 16-inch cross to get this one over wood. And we might be able to get 2 cants out of that. Take that slab off and we're going to see what we have underneath. sharpened blade is cutting very nice. So we got the log flipped over, and John's just cutting the top off. So we have a flat surface. So John's making the 12-inch cut now, and then we'll be turning it again, I guess, to make the 8-inch cut. Controlling it, sitting in the rhino over there. So another day ending. We're leaving this log on the sawmill for the night. They're announcing rain overnight, so what I do is I cover my control box with plastic bags here. The less rain that gets in around that, the better. We're starting to get a pile over there. So thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you on the next one.